Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Horizontal asymptotes come from end behavior, and this is fast. We check what each function approaches as x gets huge, then choose option B. Horizontal asymptote means the function approaches a fixed y value as x goes to infinity or negative infinity. So we only care about dominant terms and what happens to tiny bounded pieces. Check option B, y equals quantity 2x squared plus sine x over x squared, which rewrites as 2 plus sine x over x squared, and that simplification makes everything clear. Since sine x always stays between -1 and 1, sine x over x squared goes to 0, so the whole expression approaches 2.
Well done! Option B is it! Scan now. Trap, don't rush signs. Rule, trust what's given and check the end behavior steps carefully.